I'm Sophie.
I'm Taylor.
And this is the Catch Basin Inspection team. We're here in Middlesex County inspecting stormwater inlets. This is important for the waterways in New Jersey because all the catch basins lead ultimately to these waterways.
Yeah, we want to make sure that all of them are up to date and up to code, and make sure that, if we do find anything wrong, anything leaking into the water, that we catch it soon, get it fixed, so our waterways are clean and healthy.
Usually we look for if they're MS4 compliant, so that's a hood retrofit, rate retrofit, and if it's labeled saying drains to waterways. We also look to see if there's sediment on the grate or inside the basin.
And retrofitting is important, so it keeps trash out of the stormwater. I mean, I've seen catch basins completely covered under layers of dirt and leaves, to the point where we're like, wait, is there something here? And we have to dig it out.
Yeah, there's been a lot of sediment buildup in some of these. A lot of trash too. You'll see retrofits or metal pieces falling into the basin, and those need to be repaired.
Yeah, entire car parts, entire signs. And that's important to get out of there, so it doesn't pollute. We really hope that they learn that any liquid or anything they put on their grass or anything like that does eventually end up into rivers, ponds, lakes, places where people swim, fish, and everything really is connected. So even though it seems small, just a little bit of pesticide here and there, it does all end up in the bigger picture, and it's important to monitor and regulate those things and make sure everything is clean and safe.
All right.